more real. Not for the show, not just for the obligation, but yung masasabi ko, Lord, I did my best also. Some of you here, maybe sana at the end of your life, masabi mo, Lord, I shared my blessings to people because of you. Lord, pinatawad ko yung napakasamang kalabang ko na yon because you told me to forgive him. That is the meaning of making a commitment to the Lord today. Maybe you can say, Lord, may sakit ako, but I did not complain because alam ko po mahal niyo ako. Lord, binago na ko na po yung mga sasamang ugali ko kasi hindi na ho maganda para sa iyo. God wants